Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. How are you doing today? How are you starting your day? Hopefully, you're starting your day strong. You see, I look like I was just doing the segment on Now Media TV. It's going to go on actually um, on Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Time. So you can go to Now Media TV, this talk show, and you can uh, listen to my segment and to other great people over there. Also, I've been going on Be Productive show also on Now Media on Monday. I'm not sure, I can't remember what time, but you can go to Now Media TV and then to the show in English, Be Productive, and you can actually check out the recording for the segments we have been doing on Be Productive program. Now, before I start, I'm going to talk to you about the important changes for 2024 tax season, or you can say 2023, right? Some people say 2023, some people say 2024. In fact, we're doing it in 2024, but it is 2023 tax season because we're filing for the year of 2023. Now, before I get into that, I want to remind you to get my book, How to Start, Manage, and Prosper with a Nonprofit. You can get it from Amazon on ebook formats, or that you can get the actual book. Okay, and for those of you who I promised to send a signed copy or who purchased from my website, I will send you actually the copies probably the first week of February because I supposed to receive these in the next few days from Amazon. So I look forward to actually sign those books and send them to you. Now, go ahead and get your book. Can't wait for you to actually read it and give me your feedback. And you can give me your feedback directly or on Amazon. It's going to help if you give me that review on Amazon so more people can get into this book. A lot of great information in there for people who are involved in any way in nonprofit or looking forward to be involved with nonprofits. Now, another thing, tax season officially starting on January 29, that next Monday. So make sure you actually book a call with your tax professional. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and book a call with me and my team so we can help you get onboarded to our system in this tax season so we can help you save as much taxes as possible. Now, I'm going to keep actually the link here on the screen, and you guys on Instagram, you can get the link on the bio. And if you've been following me for a while, hopefully you know how to go to my website, nourasbooks.com. That's nourasbooks.com/contact to book a call on Zoom. All right. Now, of course, the first change always happen every year happen with the standard deductions. So the standard deduction is a lot more this year. So I don't have the numbers. I didn't write the numbers, but you can always get the number from the IRS website. You don't need to know the number because you're not going to memorize it, but it's actually more than last year. The foreign earned income exclusion now also increased. A lot of fringe benefit threshold increased as well. If you need more information on these on specific item, let me know so I can actually probably give you the information, or I can make another video going deep on one of these. Okay, but for now, I'm not going to go deep on any of these. I'm going just to talk about it in general. Okay, so the other thing really important for you guys to know, if you claimed ERC during COVID, this is for businesses. If you claimed earned employee retention credits, ERC, employee retention credits, a lot of those claims were fraudulent. So you want to make sure, if you think you should not have that income and you did get that credit, you want to make sure to take advantage of the voluntary disclosure program IRS announced today to pay back the earnest ERC claims. You have until March 22nd to actually file that and saying that you're intending to pay back the fraudulent ERC credits you got. They want you to pay 80%, and there's a lot of details on that, but you want to make sure to file that form that you are aware this is fraudulent and you want to pay it. And this might not be your fault, because I know there was a lot of scam going on there and trying to fool people into getting those credits, and they were letting them know that they can get them they can get them actually eligible to get that credit. And they were contacting us as tax professionals saying, oh, add this much money to your firm by having your clients claim their ERC. You just get the client and we give you a referral fee. Of course, if you are an aware tax professional, you wouldn't fall into this. But they were trying. So if you were a victim and you were not eligible for that, you want to make sure you voluntarily disclose this issue with the IRS so they can actually forgive you. Okay, so be aware of this. Make sure you do it, because this can be a big headache for you if you did not do this filing. Now, if you're eligible for the employee retention credit and you got it, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Also, actually, 20,000 letters were sent by the IRS for businesses disallowing this credit. So you want to make sure to actually do this forgiveness if you receive that letter. And if you disagree, you need to work with tax professional to solve that. I do tax resolution. Any problem with the IRS, I can represent you in front of the IRS. So you can go ahead and actually book a call with me. Same link, same everything. I would love to help you on that. Any issue that related to the IRS. Okay. Now, there is a penalty relief. They just announced this year for about 5 million businesses, individuals, and nonprofits for penalties on 2020 and 2021. So watch out for that. They're going to send letters. And actually, if you have penalty, you want, hold off, don't pay that yet. Contact your tax professionals. If you don't have one, feel free to connect with me and we'll talk about your penalty and see if it's better for you to actually pay it or wait for that. All right. Another thing it's important for everyone to know is actually the delay of 1099K threshold. 1099K is the form you receive from the Cash App you're using, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, Venmo, whatever you're using. They issue you 1099K, whether you are an individual or a business. Like, I don't know, it depends on how you are there, because I know some of you as business still get that. So you want to be aware that the threshold change was delayed. It was delayed. It used to be for $20,000. They send you the 1099K, and they were talking about decreasing that threshold to $600 for a couple of years now. They still did not implement that. They did now another delay for that. So it's not going to apply to you for 2023. They said it's going to apply to you for 2024. But get into a habit to actually record everything and make sure you actually have that records and put your notes on that in case they keep their words this time and have that threshold going on for 2024. All right, because now it's just delayed. Last year they delayed it as well, but you don't want to be relying on that, so make sure you have that. There are some changes for the clean vehicle and energy credits for your home, so you want to make sure also, if you feel like you are in this category, you want to make sure to be updated of these changes. So these are the things I wanted to highlight. So make sure you are aware. It's really impossible to keep up with all tax law changes because it happens every single day. Every single day. So that's why you need to make sure you work with a tax professional who knows tax law and who update themselves on tax law and who treats you as actually one of case. So not just a data entry. They actually take care of you. They research your situation because every situation is unique, whether if it's your personal, you to be working with someone who can use the tax law for your advantage. They are aware of your credits and deductions and benefits and breaks, so you are not losing any of that. So make sure you do that. Again, book a call with me and my team right now at nourasbooks.com/contact, because it's going to be first come, first serve. So let's get your taxes done. If you are a business owner, you did not do your bookkeeping, feel free to reach out. Also, we can help you get your books straight. If you're an S corp, partnership, multi-member, LLC, your tax filing due on March 15th. So you are running out of time. So make sure to reach out now. Don't make that mistake I always talk about. If you are a multi-member LLC, by default, you're going to file a partnership return. So don't be delaying your tax return just because you're thinking you're going to file it with your individual tax return. All right. I'll talk to you soon and have a great day. Bye.